Noir gang, so we're finally back with another video. Today we're back to VR30 content. Right now we're troubleshooting. We have kind of a hot mess. I know sometimes I take some flex pictures and it looks a lot better than this, but this is an absolute mess. The initial plan was to go ahead, put on the intakes and the map sensor. I still need O2 sensors that were supposed to come with the throttle body. Oh, also they get a new throttle body because as you guys know that the passenger side one is actually not working. So I had a huge issue troubleshooting this car because apparently one of the wires was loose and was just not turning over. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and start this car right now. That being said, let me show you guys. So this is what happened. So this is my starter wire until I actually wire it, and we'll have this going inside the cabin and then we put it to the push start. The car just doesn't want to start because I'm not getting any fuel. I don't know crap about wiring at all. You guys, I don't know if you guys saw it in previous video, but I'll go ahead and remind you, excuse this mess. I'm gonna finally start cleaning it up. But I have the CJM billet top hat because my fuel pump's cracked anyway, so I need to go ahead and okay, that ain't working. So I need to go ahead and install this top hat, and also it has the kit along with the fuel pump relay kit and then the actual fuel pump itself. So I have the Hellcat 525 fuel pump, and until I actually install these things, I'm not getting any fuel, which means the car will not run. It will just crank and turn over and turn over. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with ripping out the fuel pump, and also I'll save it for another video, but this car is getting a nice interior rework, so I can't wait to show you guys. I have my D&D, which by the way I would like to announce that we are working with D&D Performance, but we'll talk about that at a later time, but we'll leave that for another time. But the interior is getting, why is there a knife? What the hell? Why is there a knife in my car? It's like I'm dating a Puerto Rican. No offense to all the Puerto Ricans. We're gonna get a change up, but for now, I'm gonna focus on this fuel pump, so let's get that out. I'm gonna just show you guys how to how to get access to your fuel pump, because honestly, I've never done this, and I actually just tried to look on YouTube, and everybody gives you some really crappy instructions. I did not even find one. Now, if you guys are doing this with the seat in, I took mine out. Actually, my OEM seats are sold, so it just gives me a lot of room to work. So this is supposed to be here. It has clips. All right, I just took honestly a flathead and just popped it up. Don't baby it. It's honestly it's on there good. Then you lift this up, and voila, there we go. Now you have access to your 370Z fuel pump. You need to take off these 10 mils and you're good to go, and then the fuel pump assembly is right under that. Of course, when you're working on fuel and anything like this, make sure you disconnect the battery, so that's what we're about to do right now. For the VR, it's different. My fuel line is here. It's just this little like booty plug that's in there. I already have no fuel in there, so it's not gonna spray. For you guys do have to disconnect that your fuel line that is around here. I forgot what bolt it is because again, I have a VR now, so I do not remember. I forgot what the process is, but you have to, I think, take out the fuse to your fuel pump, or you have to do something, but you have to make sure that there's no pressure in your fuel system. Dude, ugh, look how dusty and gross that is. That is disgusting. All right, so now there's a clip right there that we need to take out, and then we need to release that fuel line, and then we're good to go to pull out the assembly. All right, so I went ahead and wiped it down just a little bit. Let me try and get some light for you guys. Hold up. There are some additional screws. Those look like they're 8s. That clip is unplugged. I tucked it away. The fuel line is already disconnected, so we're good to go. The only thing now, like I said, you just need to take off those 8s so we can go ahead and pull out the pump and, well, the top hat and assembly, and we should be good to go from there. Oh my God, it's so hot, I'm dying. Make sure you guys get a new O-ring. I have an O-ring inside, but I'm not gonna pull it out yet because that's what she said. I'm not gonna take out the O-ring yet just because, one, it's about to rain here in South Florida. So look at Florida, bro. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. That's beautiful. It's like Satan's butt cheek, like on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and put the O-ring when we're installing the whole assembly back, because you should change out O-ring, and you also want to make sure it doesn't get damaged and actually get any gas on it. Waiting on Manny to come through so he can pick it up. He's gonna bring it back tomorrow, and we'll be able to slap that baby back in and hopefully be able to get a full, at least not, if not a drive around the block, at least turn on the car. Hey bro, Manny's the man, bro. Dude, look at you with your red shoes and all that, bro.
Don't get the Ferrari hat.
Dude, Ferrari hat?
Hey, I work on exotics now, so...
Oh, that is true. Hey, so Manny doesn't even work at Infinity anymore. Now he touches exotic cars. That's why I'm letting him touch mine. I kind of gutted the crap out of the car. And I like it. It's full Cheyenne. Look at that. You guys like it? No? You like it? Look how beautiful the interior is.
Shift not too long, bro.
The shift, oh, why does that excite you so much? Hey, you see how excited he gets about my giant shift knob? Yeah, you want to touch it? You want
to too long, bro?
Bro, why are you so focused on that?
But the Mustang shift knob is about this big, dog.
Okay.
It's comfortable.
Oh, no wonder you guys get Mustangs. You're familiar with it. Whatever, so Manny's helping me out, and I like your red hat and shoes, though.
Thank you, though.
Whoa, man, did you just rip a fart?
No.
Did you just fart,
That was
dude?
the box.
Yeah, okay. All right. So I'm gonna actually, I kind of failed. We wrapped up the fuel pump before we came and show like how it's cracked. But the fuel pump, I'll just show you when I get it back. So Manny's gonna go ahead and grab this for me and save my life. Thank you, bro. I would bump fist, but okay, there we go. I got gas hands. He's gonna go ahead and wire that for me. I'm gonna try and clean this up today so we can get the hell out of here. And yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow, Monday. What do you think? Like Tuesday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Damn, bro, you work fast.
I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Okay, look at that. So I'm gonna show Manny this car a little bit, this piece of crap, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2. I'm gonna go ahead and empty out all the crap that I have in this car. Manny's coming back with the pump right now. Huge shout out to Manny and thank you for putting together the fuel pump assembly, because I don't know crap about wiring. What typically breaks on the 370Z and also the new CJM top hat. Look at this thing, bro. What shoes are you wearing this time? What you got on now?
My driving shoes.
Oh, dude, I love this color so much. It should have came out with the black housings from the jump, bro, but what a nice color. I pretty much like gutted the car, as you saw yesterday, and look how I stacked it in here. Oh, let me see the fuel pump, dude. Thank you, by the way. Bro, why you flex so hard on us, bro? Look at the fit. Why you gotta flex so hard, Manny? Oh. So this is the CJM top hat. Because, oh, and also my spring.
No, actually it's like that.
Oh, it's like that? Okay.
Yeah, it's like
oh, perfect. I was like, dang, do I have to fish in the tank?
No, it's like that.
So this is a CJM top hat. 370Zs are, by the way, eventually you are going to have to upgrade to this. Unfortunately, the top hat, it breaks on those brackets over there.
Right here, on both sides.
On both sides?
Well, when I was pulling it out, it broke on the other side.
These are super weak, so I went ahead and just got a billet once. That way this will never happen again. And that's it. It saves your life. And you know that to diagnose that issue is that if your tank is reading at half tank, it's probably because your top hat's cracked.
Whenever you put it on, whenever you're gonna put the other pump, you have to cut it. It won't come off. I tried to get it off of here, and it's not coming off. So I have to cut it. So you have to get a regular, like a rubber fuel line, put it on. So it's easier, you know, put it on and take off.
Okay.
In the diagram, it shows that has like another fitting here.
Yeah, but I think that's for the return system. So, and my engine doesn't have a return system.
Oh, okay. So you can run it like this then.
Yeah.
If you want to run it out like that, you have to get a different line. So it will fit here, because either way, the clamp, that's this one right here, it won't fit down there.
Dang, so I can't even start the car then.
I mean, you can. You just gotta go get a fuel line.
Okay, so then.
And wire up the relay. I didn't want to wire it up because I don't have a diagram. I didn't want to put the wrong pins.
Okay. I mean, since it's already out, I might as well just modify the basket and put the fuel pump in then, huh?
Yeah. You have to cut, like, the basket's like this deep. You have to, like, make it like this.
Okay.
You have to, like, cut the shit out of it.
Looks like we're gonna put this on pause then for probably like a midweek kind of thing then. It is what it is, bro. But the thing is, you wired, I think, the hardest part. So thank you, bro, because I have no idea about that stuff.
You can get a connector that connects here. It'll be perfect.
Oh, because that connector doesn't fit at all, right?
No, you will have
to splice this in.
Yeah, you will have to cut this and wire straight up to the connector. That's not a big deal. But if you want to replace a pump, then you will have to cut the wires again.
Oh yeah, that's how it's gonna be every time. I mean? So yeah.
So if you can get a connector, I mean, if you don't want, you don't have to. But if you want to get a connector, it's easier. Just like unplug it, take the pump out, so then you pump it.
You know I'm lazy, dog. You know I'm probably just gonna wire that thing. Because in theory, there shouldn't be a reason why I changed the fuel pump unless it fails. But Manny just decided that he was gonna go balls deep and just go ahead and try and wire this thing. Thankfully, thank you, Lewis, for helping me out. Lewis sent me a wiring diagram that Manny feels is perfect and will work. I really hope so. We picked up some 14 gauge wire just in case, and the pick that we need to go ahead and get started. And he gave me a mask. What a guy. What a nice guy. I don't know necessarily what I'm going to do. Do you need help with anything? Like, do I do anything?
Yeah.
What would you like me to do?
Film.
Okay, so I can do that. I'm good at that. I'm gonna plug Jordan on Instagram. Thank you so much, dude. So she also joined the VQ team too. So Manny went ahead and wired up. Right now we did like a ghetto solution, so the car won't stay like this, but he's gonna help me clean up later. But right now he's putting everything back together so we can get an official first start, see where we stand. More importantly, to see if I can actually get fuel, because right now the fuel pump's not even priming. So no fuel, no fuel, no power. I mean, at least that's I'm assuming how it works, you know? All right, Manny, are you ready for this? You ready, Jordan? Are you ready? All right, dude, let's see if this does it. Nope, it's not getting fuel. So we're really struggling because we're trying to figure out the wiring, and we're trying to talk with Martin over through text and phone, but it's just, man, wiring is...
It's just this.
Yeah, we need to figure out just one cable, and the fuel pump itself is not even turning on, and it's not priming at all.
You have this one right now going to ground, or is it
No, this is going to a harness.
Yeah, that's actually that's signal.
This is the ground. The hardest part about this swap is literally the wiring. Once you get that all out, that's why I wish I had it all complete when Martin was here, because he would have just done it. That was the plan initially, but you got farther than I ever would have. Hit up Manny for your VR swap needs. All right, so round two, he switched around some wires to see if that might do it. Let's see. No fuel.
Alright guys, honestly I think this video might be carrying on a little bit too long. I'm sorry to leave you on a cliffhanger, but we have to figure out this wiring headache. If you guys did like the video, just make sure you hit that like button. If you didn't like it because it didn't start, I understand, it's cool. You can hit the dislike button. We'll blame Jordan. Why did people, did you get scared?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, you weenie, bro. Whatever, so.
I wasn't expecting that.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. You weenie, man.